it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and I am here today with a fall haul tour. Yep, that's right, fall haul tour. Now, if fall is too early for you, come back and see me when you're ready. You know, to each his own, and I totally understand loving and being in the moment. But for me, I am constantly thinking about what I could do for fall next year and Halloween and Christmas. So when I start seeing items in the store, I get so excited, like beyond excited. So if you're new here and you just so happen to stop by, I am Jamie with Loving All Seasons, so I do love them all. You'll see spring and fall and summer home tours and how I decorate my coffee bar for all the different seasons. So I do participate in that, but fall, that's my love. And Halloween, I love Halloween also. So if you like those things, shopping hauls, shop with me's, home tours, things like that, stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and you want to click the bell so you don't miss anything. So what I have for you guys today is DollarTree and some at-home store. So I have some fall items and some Halloween items. I'm going to start with the DollarTree. I have a couple items that aren't necessarily fall, but I wanted to share these with you in this video so you guys, if you like them, run to your stores and be on the lookout for them. Maybe some of you have already seen them in your stores, but this was the first for me and I was so stinking excited. All right, now that all that's out of the way, let's hop into this wonderful haul of fall. Okay, first thing is, it is a 9 feet satin ribbon and it has little bees all over. I hope you guys are able to see that. I went ahead and grabbed 3. So I did do my coffee bar in a bee themed, which I will link that at the end. Bee and lemon themed. So that way you guys can take a look at it. But look what else I found. Honeycombs. And is that not going to be so cute? I wish it was wired ribbon, but it's not. But we'll make do. And I love it. Love it. It says brave, fearless, amazing, happy, true is what that says on there. So I just had to share that. I went ahead and got 3 of each. I'd like to make a wreath or something with that to go kind of with my bee theme for next year. Actually, I may pull it out after 4th of July and stick my lemon stuff back out because I really loved it this year. Okay, one other item that I wanted to share, because if you guys are crafters, so when I do my wreaths and things like that, I love using these cable, nylon cable ties, okay? This is not a bad deal. For the long ones like this, you get 60 in a pack. And I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. I do actually like the ones that are a little shorter. I get those from Walmart. And I want to say they're like $1.98, but you might get 100 in there. Not sure. I don't really remember, but that's a pretty good deal. Now, that's out of the way. Let's get into this fall. Should we do floral first? Let's do floral. Okay. So this is what I picked up. Now, I will have another Dollar Tree video coming out where I showed a little bit more of the different flowers that they had. And on my Instagram, I took a nice quick shot. But a lot of your stores should start having the floral in it. It's usually one of the first things. So this one is called a hop bush. And it's this really pretty purpley kind of color. But to me, it's very much can be like a fall color, you know. And I just thought these were gorgeous. So I grabbed 2 of those in the purple. And then I grabbed 2 of this green with a hint of like, almost like a burnt orange on the tips. I grabbed 2 of those. You guys, I was so stinking excited the first day I saw the floral. I was just like, what? And then they have this eucalyptus, which is really nice looking. And guess what? It's not real that hard plastic, because I know we got that in and it was really hard and I didn't like those as much. This looks nicer to me, and it is considered in the fall floral, and it's eucalyptus. They only had 1 of these. So someone had already got there before me and wiped them out. But these are great to have for all year long, not just fall. And then I grabbed these, which these are kind of a mess because the little balls fall everywhere. And I'm not even going to attempt to say that. So I'm just going to hold it up for you guys. But this color is, if I had to describe, it's like a brownish rust color. And then it has a little bit of the greenery, which I think is just beautiful. Will be really pretty in, you know, your fall florals. And then I grabbed a green one. You know, I'm still gravitating to that green like I was last year. If you guys are new, go and check out my fall and Halloween stuff last year. Just beautiful items, and the coloring. I think I'm going to kind of stick with a lot of what I had and just switch it up. So it's going to look different. Very much so. All right. I'm going to throw these 2 items in. These were from Target. They were on clearance. You know, I'm a clearance shopper. It's some of their florals. I don't think it has a name on it. This is from Threshold. It was $3.50, but I've bought some of these before and they have like little berries on them. But these are great for all year round. I feel like the spring, summer, you know, to add into it, and you can't go wrong with something like this. This one was also $3.50. I wish I would have found more of these. And this was also by Hearth and Hand. They're marking down a lot of their stuff because they're about to bring in the fall. So that's it from Target. I know it was out of order, but now back to Dollar Tree. I did it, you guys. More pumpkins. What is wrong with me? I got on that fall high and I was like, I have to have it. So this was one of the items I saw that was online. Look at $1. How stinking, I'm just like, what? That is really cute. Yes, it is that bright orange and it's got gold on the tip, but you can always paint that. If you don't want the gold, you can paint it brown or black or whatever you want to paint it. And I just absolutely love this. So I had to share that. That was one of the items I wanted to get. They also had these pumpkins, which will be in my next Dollar Tree haul, a shop with me, showing you some of the other pumpkins. Then there was this one. Now, I don't know if this is new, you guys, but it looks like it's wood. It's not. It's that like plastic, you know, but it's, I don't know if it's solid. It kind of feels like it, but it looks like wood, which I thought was really cool. Comment below if this is something they had last year and they just pulled it out. I'm pretty sure they did not have this. This is new. I know my Dollar Trees pretty well, but this one I'm just not sure of. So I hope you guys can see that really well. It's got like, it almost looks like wood green. They only have one of those. To be honest, a lot of this stuff was already gone. Okay. Then they had these cute little acorns. They had it in silver. I want to say there was probably a color like this too. So they had the acorns and then the pine cones. And this is like more of a orangey, coppery color. Not quite copper, because it does have more of an orange tint to it. But I know I'm just buying random stuff. I can't help myself. I told you it's that fall high, guys. But really cute, right? Tier trays. If not, maybe I can find someone to give these to. These are old. I know these are older, but they had a bunch of these out. It's the copper pumpkins. And I'm thinking I may bring more of this into the living room area and kind of do my kitchen like how I did last year. A little more vibrant, maybe oranges. Or I might start getting rid of some of those real bright oranges. I don't know yet. But really cute. But you see, I bought 3 pumpkins, and I definitely don't need any more pumpkins. So, it is getting hot, you guys. It is so sweltering hot here in Michigan. And I'm sitting here talking about fall. I know. Problems, right? These little guys, look at, this was online, and I'm like, I gotta get one of these. I was trying to explain to my girlfriend about these little foxes. She's like, well, what does that have to do with fall? I'm like, I don't know. They're just cute, right? They're cute. They're foxes, they're fur. I don't know. It just goes with fall. She was laughing at me so hard because I had called her after I was done shopping. All right, but let me describe a little bit. He has a little bit of black on his chest, which is meant to be there. But is he not just the sweetest little thing, you guys? And I grabbed 2. I don't know why. I grabbed 2 of them because I was so excited. So that is it for the Dollar Tree part of it. That's my fall. Now, Halloween. I went into the at-home store because I know they were putting out their Halloween stuff and I had to check it out. So the first thing I see is this little ugly spider. And I am going to be trying to make a spider, you guys. So I'm going to see how he turns out. Most of the items I'm buying from the Dollar Tree, which would be a ball, and then it would be some plastic balls, the small like baseballs. So if it turns out, I'll try to do it with you guys. But look at him. He will go, now this is for in my house. I'm thinking may go on my fireplace. Somehow, some way, I always do, he was $6.99 at home. I always do. He's creepy kind of, right? Look at his little red eyes. Ugh. I don't like spiders, but he will look so cool. And his little legs, look, they bend. If I want him sitting up, I'm thinking, though, he may go on the fireplace like in a web, like hanging. I don't know yet. So, really cute. Not really cute, but, you know. $6.99. I thought that wasn't a bad price because at home can be really expensive, but Okay. Next thing, I've passed on these little trees. I really want you to see this, but this was so cute, and to go in a tray, and he lights up. You probably can't see it, but it lights up, and I'm sure you guys have seen these. They have them for 4th of July, Easter, but I think of, what is that? Halloween, Christmas, Halloween. I cannot believe I can't think of the name. I love that movie with Jack Skellington. Comment below. You guys, I know the name, but it's not coming to me. My oldest watched that over and over again. Okay. Last but not least for my Halloween is this. I love this witch's hat, you guys. This was $14.99. Once again, this was at the At Home. And it's velvet. It has the gold buckle. And I do that little witches area. So this will look really good over there. Sitting there like she's waiting to leave. And her broom will be over there because I'm going to make a broom. And look, this bends. So if I want it lower or high, I can unbend that. But that is it. This video is much longer because I was very chatty because I was super excited about the fall. So this is my plan for the next 2 weeks. You guys will get this video today, which is Tuesday. I'm filming today. I'm putting it up today. And I'm going to try to get a couple other videos done. So you got I may do a quick walkthrough of what the house looks like right now, which before 4th of July, with my patriotic stuff in the kitchen, because I showed you guys some of it. And then my living room area is still kind of with that spring, the lemon yellow look, which I'm loving it because it feels light and airy. You also have a Ray Dunn Hunt With Me. I'm not finding anything yet. On the lookout for my Halloween stuff. So, if you guys are not ready for the fall and you're not ready for this, I do have the Dollar Tree. My next Dollar Tree haul is going to be like different items, not fall related. So, make sure you watch that. Stick around. The tour, I'll have that. And that's about as far as I've gotten right now. But yeah, make sure you comment below. Are you guys excited about fall? Or are you one that's, I'm ready to wait. I want to wait. I'm not ready for it. Don't get me wrong, we're still doing all the summer stuff here. So, but make sure you give me the big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.